Hello everyone, welcome to Fashion with Fabrics. Today in this video we will see how to make Kuchu design using two different colored threads. So let's get started. Okay, here are the things that we need. Take a piece of cardboard for winding the threads, a big needle to make the hole into the cloth, small needle, measuring tape, silk thread, I have taken two colors here, marker, fabric glue, zari thread, scissors and this blouse piece. You can take any sari or any shawl. Okay, so let's get started. First, let us wind the thread around this cardboard as I am showing. Here I am winding it 20 times. You can make it more or less thicker according to your choice. Okay, now I'm going to cut it here. Take the fabric glue and put it on this end of the thread. With your fingers, make this edge a sharp point. Okay, now let it dry for some time. Similarly, make many pieces ready according to your need. So here, as you can see, I have taken two colors. If you want to make it with single color, you can do that also. And here on the cloth, I have marked half an inch apart. Okay, first let me take this big needle and make holes on these lines. Take this orange thread and insert it from the back side. Pull the thread and make both the sides of the thread equal in length. Make sure that all these threads are straight. Sometimes there will be some knots in between, so make sure it's straight. Okay, now I'm going to put a knot here. Hold it tightly here and just turn your fingers. Bring the thread over your thumb like this. Slightly loosen this thread here. Okay, now you can see this part of the thread here, right? Just pull it out. You can make use of the needle also. Now pull it tightly. So like this, it will become a knot here. Okay, similarly I am going to do this on all the holes. Here I am going to take green color. So alternately I will take orange and green here. Insert it through the hole. Pull it tightly. Make sure all the threads are straight. Then using the same method, put the knot here. I am using this method to put this knot. If you are comfortable using any other way, you can do that also. So basically what we need here is a knot like this one. Okay, place this needle onto this hole and then pull this thread. So you got a knot here. Now again orange. Follow the same method. Okay, similarly I have done it on all these holes. I have put alternate color threads here. Okay, now it is looking like this. Now you can cut all these pointed edges from this thread. Now what we are going to do is take this first thread and half of the second thread. Join them together and put a knot here. Make sure that all these threads are straight or else it won't look good. So hold these threads together like this and put a knot here. For putting the knot, you can follow the same procedure as we have done earlier. Okay, with the needle pull out this thread and put a knot. Now take this half of this green thread and half of this orange thread here. Hold them together and put a knot. Again take this half of this orange thread and this full bunch of threads of this green thread. Hold them together and put a knot over there. So here you can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, so by taking this first 4 threads, I have made this. Similarly, I'll do it for all the other threads, taking 4 threads at a time. Again, here we will continue doing the same. Take first bunch of the threads completely and take half of the second thread. Hold them together and put a knot. Now this half and this full bunch of threads. Put a knot. Finally, take both these bunches of threads, hold them together and put a knot. Okay, this is how it looks like now. Similarly, we will do for the other threads also, taking 4 threads at a time. Following the same procedure, you can put the knots. Make sure that all these knots are at the same length. Similarly, I will do this for the other threads also. Okay friends, now you can see how it looks like once it is done. Now you can cut these extra threads here. You can keep it at the required length. Okay, I'm going to keep it this much long and cut it. Now I will take the small needle with zari thread and put a knot here. Bring the needle through the middle from back to front. Then bring the thread along this way from right to left. Insert it into this loop here and put a knot. I will put one more knot. Then insert this needle through the center from right to left. Again put 2 knots from the other side. Bring the needle from top towards down. Keep the required length of this zari thread and cut it. Similarly, do it for all these kuchu here. If you put this knot using this zari thread here, then these knots will not come off. Otherwise there is a chance that these knots will come off. Okay, it looks like this now. If you want, you can put some fabric glue here and stick stones. You can decorate it however you like. Okay friends, I hope you liked this video. I hope you will try this with your sari. Let me know how it came in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.